channel. This is your girl Janen. So today you guys, we are going to put contacts in for the first time, updated. So 2 years ago, I put contacts in and it was successful, I guess, in some point. But you know, struggle is always real, and that video went really well. And I was very happy with that. That was my first time and it's quite a work, like I'm saying. So today you guys, we are going to do it, our updated one, and we'll see how this thing goes, like you know what I'm saying. So Olens company, you guys, they are the contact lens company from Korea. They reached out to me and they sent me a package. Oh, diba? Hello. Thank you very much, Olens, for sending me this package. They're very generous. You know, thank you. And these are contact lenses, you guys. Diba? Let's open it and so we can start it. I'm just so happy. And we'll see what's inside. This is fun. Oh, hello. Do we look alike? No, just the face from the girl from Blackpink. Oh, hello. I got the guidelines, you guys. Oh, wow. So you guys sent me a bunch of stuff. Okay, because they said to me in my email that they're gonna give me 3. I can pick 3 and it seems like I have so much here. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I see this and I got me a case. Let's open the case and what's in here. Here is this. What is this? It looks like a scissor, but I don't know what is this. I have the case. Ooh. And they sent me more cases. Oh my god, thank you, Olens. And you guys, if you watched my video 2 years ago, I had the case that I kept, you know, because this has been my... I always have a special relationship with this lens right here. And remember, I call this a tweezer. And I think this is a tweezer. And this is a spatula, you guys. And I learned that this is not a spatula. This is suction. Diba? It's a suction. It's not spatula. I learned so much over 2 years. And now, I don't know what is this. But it looks the same. And oh boy. Oh, you guys, I think this is for taking your contacts out. Anyways, you can figure it out because I'm a big girl now, you know. And the funny thing is, it's not funny, I mean, you know, I've been looking contact lenses online because I want to try them, you guys. You know, Jesus answered my prayers, so they sent me a bunch of them. I'm still like not familiar with lenses, you guys. If it looks lens, I put them on. Like I'm saying, I don't really spend time of memorize them because I still have a lot going on in my life. And if I read this kind of stuff here, it's not gonna work. The problem of having a lot of stuff is you don't know what to use. Oh my god, they sent me so much stuff. Olens, thank you very much for sending me this one, but I just don't know what to use. It makes me so excited. You know what? I'm going to use this Crush, and this is color brown, you guys. And if you guys notice that I did not get my nails done, just so you know, I don't have a budget yet, but if you're gonna watch this video, I might be able to get them done, so please don't judge me, you know. So yeah, by helping me to get my nails done, you need to watch this video, share this video, and purchase these contacts. And so you guys know, I have a code for you guys to save some money, and it's going to be Janen Elodie, okay? You know, and I'm going to put their link on my description box down below, you guys, so you can go and check out what they have that you might like. They are inexpensive, so check that out. I already sanitized my hands, you guys, because in my eyes, y'all, I don't play. So let's open this one. Oh, so you guys, this is how it looks like. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Crush. So now, let's put these babies in. Because the last time, I don't know where to put the left and the right. So we'll see. We're just gonna figure it out. And this is ready to wear. Did I say ready to wear? Yeah, I say that. God almighty, my chest is pumping. Where is my tweezer? Oh wow, this is pretty big. Okay, now let's put this in our eyes. Before, I did not success with my fingers, so I'm not using this finger because this is unreliable. Unreliable. So I'm gonna put that in my suction. Suction, it's not spatula. See, I'm learning. And I am freaking, what do you call this? Shaky. Okay, let's do it. We can do this. We can do this. Oh boy! I was confident earlier, and now my foot is very cold. Hold on a second. Okay, we can do this. And I already have my makeup on, like I'm saying, girl. Ooh, child! I'm a pro. You hear me? Of course, I need to blink. Hold on. Yo, this thing fits perfectly. Oh, I'm shaking. Hold on. Wow. Oh, meow. Oh, I like this. Right is done. Now let's go to the left, baby. To the left. Let's go this. You see, y'all, this little thing saved me a lot. Yeah. Now let's do this side. Not this time. Get in. I'm still not going to the left side. Oh. Oh. Yeah, yo, I'm still not used to it. Blink. What do you guys think? I did a great job, right? Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, I love it. It's more like it's bigger, but it still looks like my eyes, but it's more like what do you call this? Brighter. Oh, brighter. You guys, after 2 years, I'm not that bad. You know what I'm saying? That's how you put contacts in. Thank you so much, Olens, you guys. If you like this color, just go to the description box down below and use my code Janen Elodie to save you some money, like I'm saying. Oh God, I feel like I'm completely different person with this contact lens, and I love these contacts. I don't feel have a cobwebs in my eyes, but I still need to get used to it because I know there's something in there, but it doesn't really bother me. Thank you, Olens, for sending me this contact lenses. You guys, watch out for another contacts that I'm going to wear. It's going to be fun. So one thing that I did miss when I put my contacts in is how to take them out, and that was harder than putting them in. Anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and thank you so much, Olens, for sending me this one. You guys, it's going to be a lot of contact videos coming out, so check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, so you guys, if you like this video, please show me some love, give me some like, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And yeah, let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye. I just wanna dance.